e don dey happen for Imo State. The thing wey be say we dey pray say make the thing stop now. Wahala dey happen for Imo State now. In case you no forget, say the governor of Imo State, Governor Hope Uzodinma, he deploy some soldiers, say make dem come start Operation Golden Dawn. What do you call that? Golden, anything you call am, New Dawn. They come start am for Imo State. Now yesterday we no know wetin transpire between the soldier and the citizen and the people wey be say they dey live for Imo State. Soldier now don kill innocent people. Dem burn houses, dem burn cars, unto say dem dey look for criminals. The thing wey be say we dey shout say make e no happen, now e don happen. Imagine now, people wey be say you can't kill their family now, wetin dem go do? Okay, you think say them too, dem go put hand like this, abi dem go dey look? Now the governor now don dey tell the soldier say make the soldier make dem sheath their shoe, abi they call am, say make dem keep their sword, say make dem no make soldier no fight again. You brought them to the state, say make them come protect lives, and then see they kill people of Imo State. Imagine the bloodshed wey we say we dey talk say make the thing stop. Now it's now don double now. Or do you think say those people wey kill their family go dey look? Then too they go wan retaliate, and once they retaliate again, soldiers will fight back. This na happen another war. And we dey talk and say the only best, the only solution na to say to engage those people wey think say dem dey cause problem, to engage them in dialogue. Ask them say wetin dem want, dem no do am. No do am, still on still, yet you go carry soldier, go deploy soldier, say they gon come launch one thing now. See now, people don die. People will say if the government on don die now. Then they kill them one by one. I want to say you dey find IPOB people. I want to say you dey find criminals for the state. Imagine. No, more we just imagine now. You can't dey cry. The governor now can't dey cry. Say people die. Make we not talk too much on top the issue. But do you think say na the best things? No, do you think say na the best strategy this governor do? See now. No, we see now. The killing now this according to this governor, we say him talk this Hope. He talk say na IPOB dey cause problem. Now this killing wey happen yesterday now, who you wan come blame? Answer me now. Who you come blame? Say the thing, then say I didn't cause problem. They cause problem now. No, answer me. Answer me. See everything now. Killing. Now the pictures supposed to show you the picture, but the picture they somehow. And they tell you. And they feel somehow. Now soldiers now they kill innocent people. Unto say then they find criminals. So now killings remain now. Bandits will never kill them finish. Boko Haram will never kill them finish. You never kill them finish. In fact, they see those bandits still get hope past they get hope of living past citizens of this country. Imagine you were deployed to the state to protect lives, to protect people. So they happen. You're gonna engage war with the citizens. I mean with the people who they live for the community. No wahala. And this country, na we dey. So we dey expect the next 30s where this government go put. Maybe he go still tell the soldiers say make they still continue their Operation Golden Dawn, what they call them, or then go change their operation, because this operation, this Golden Dawn, no be. I tell you, the killings too much. I tell you, the killings in there too much. And not be the kind of things we want for this country again. Now peace we want for this country. Not be the killings where they happen 247. Not be the killings they want. Engage them. Engage these people where we say you they call your enemy. Engage them with in dialogue. Engage them dialogue. This governor don't talk. What now? People now don't rise up. Some governors don't talk. Say make you now engage these people in dialogue. You they carry soldiers. Say make soldiers they face them. Imagine So na killing, na killing of them remain now. So you think say na killing of them be the best solution now? I think say those people they no go retaliate back. I talk am last video say these people if you dey kill them say dem go retaliate back, and na war na dey fight. Na war na dey fight, because if anybody kill soldier, those soldiers they no go agree. Then to go call retaliate. And if you kill them, and if you kill the people wey dey call your enemy also, then they go wan retaliate and war go now start. And this already that they get ways of escaping. They go escape. Now the innocent citizens and them they go put for problem, for trouble. No wahala. Imo State people, God go help you now. I tell you, God go help you now. Place where you say in there at peace before, until they become sinner. Make I live in for a year, because this news no be one kind better news for everybody. Seriously, no be one kind better news, because this is not what we expect. No be wetin we expect. I be this. Now peace and harmony. Now expect. Now but now killings we see. Wetin I think say Governor Hope suppose do on top all the ulabalu wey dey happen for the state. Wetin I think say he supposed to also implies with wetin one governor talk say make them engage these people in dialogue, or wetin, or na the step wey say he dey take by deploying soldiers to the state, and that one make sense pass. Make I hear your opinion. My name na MC Top Secret. See you in my next edition. Thank you.